Alright, so I've got a real nice Gravely ZT60 HD commercial grade mower here. It is commercial grade with a heavy duty fabricated deck, nice wide stance with big front casters, and it's a reinforced deck around sides and front. What it doesn't have that some commercials do have is a suspension seat. It does have a big oversized seat that's comfortable, and it doesn't have a second fuel tank. This is a large capacity single tank, as you can see, and it does have a Kawasaki 24 horsepower motor on it. Hours on this thing is 4:36, so not very high at all. Let's fire it up and show you how she operates. Nice smooth running motor. I'll idle it down for you. No smoke, no rattling or shaking or vibrations that shouldn't be there. I'll rev it back up. Blades are right here. Nice high blade tip speed with a really good deck. It's not shaking or vibrating like it shouldn't be. Deck height adjustment right here. Just put this little bar there and then drop it into its spot. Pin goes in on the side right here for deck height. Push it all the way up and that locks it back up. Push it in, pull that up, drop her down. Maybe hard to see what cuts today because clearly the grass is not really growing much right now. But we'll try. It's got good ground speed. As you can see, hard to tell exactly how the cut is, but the deck is nice and level and it is cutting fine. If I had some taller grass, I would show it to you. Turn those blades off and idle it back down. And here it runs right out nice and smooth. No problems on this thing, and nice heavy duty commercial mower with only 400 hours on it, ready to go and make you some money or last you for a long time at home.